Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley, and today we're going to be installing, styling, and slaying this beautiful wig from start to finish. She does come courtesy of Beeos, and of course I'll have it linked in the description box down below. If I'm not mistaken, this is my second time working with this company. You guys seen me work with them last month, and I absolutely loved that install. The wig and the hair from them so far has held up amazing. So I was super excited when they sent me this beautiful, voluminous, full wig. You'll see in just a minute when I first put the wig on how full it was. It was like here, absolutely gorgeous. So I love the fact that it's super versatile, and I was able to press it out and make it a little bit more tamed. So sometimes I can wear it like this, and then sometimes I can wear it big. I love big hair, especially for like pictures and a vibe, a very black girl magic vibe. The lashes I am wearing today comes from my lash book. I'll have it linked in the description box. You guys seem to be loving this so far. I am wearing the pair Foxy here. This is about my 8th time wearing these so far, and literally when I'm done at night, I pull them off and leave them at my sink. When I have a moment, I'll just go in with my Dr. Bronner's Castile soap, which is what I use to clean my brushes and my beauty blenders, and I'll just wash them out, and then I can put them back there and they'll just air dry. Or I even love them more when I use a blow dryer to dry them out and super fluffy. I don't wash them every single time, maybe every 4 to 5 uses, and in between that I just kind of like peel off the excess glue. Hopefully that makes sense. So yeah, I love these. Let me know if you guys want me to do some individuals. I know a lot of you are more everyday girls and you want something a little bit more natural. Mama is the natural one. Of course you can't see it because it's in my drawer and not here, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do some individuals. One very natural look, one very in between look, and one very dramatic. So that should be coming to the site soon. But yeah, you guys know Bedeck Beauty is on the rise. I can't wait to share more with you guys. Oh, and here is a quick close-up of the hairline. You guys know I'm so obsessed with my brand and what I got going on. I kind of got off topic, but I did go ahead and tweeze out the hairline a little bit and make it more of a natural vibe. And now let's jump right into the video. Jumping right into it, this is what the wig looks like on. As you guys can see, this one is a beautiful Skinlike HD lace 360 lace wig in the texture Kinky Straight. And here is a look at that inside construction of the cap. You can't see there, but there is an adjustable elastic band inside as well as lace in the back. Because like I said, this is a 360 lace wig. I wanted to show you guys what it looked like with a center part, but I wasn't quite sure what style I wanted to go with. So instead of just being so confused, I just started the install process. Step 1 for me was just to go ahead and tweeze out the hairline. Now this one is a very full wig and it does come slightly pre-plucked, but I just wanted to add a little bit of extraness, and I did go ham on the front center. Now, you'll see in a minute, I'm not going to do the sides because we're not doing like sideburns or anything like that today. So I did keep it in the center. I did like one row that would be considered like baby hair. Then I went behind that one more row and tweezed out some more. And I did a lot, and I love the result. So here I was trying to get a thumbnail. And now we're going to cut off the excess lace. Get a load of how beautiful the actual lace is. You would think that I tinted the lace how it blends so well without being bonded down or any product added, and I did nothing. It definitely fits glueless, so this is one that I've been wearing for the last 2 or 3 days, and it literally is just sitting on my hairline. I haven't touched it up or added any more glueless adhesive, and it doesn't slide back without any glue, so that is great to know. Here I'm installing the wig glueless. I did add a little bit of the mousse from bedeckbeauty.com on top of our glueless gel. I'm using this, I guess it's like an acrylic popsicle stick, and I like this because it's reusable. You literally can work the product in and then like wipe it off clean and reuse it again the next day, whereas, you know, popsicle sticks, you have to kind of like throw them away after each use, or at least I do. And what I like that for is, if you've been watching my videos, you know when I do a glueless adhesive and it's liquid or foam texture, it definitely is going to run and slide. I'm able to use that product to kind of, or not product, but popsicle stick to keep the product where I want it to be and move it around. Now we've added the bedeckbeauty.com melt belt on top, and that is going to pretty much bond down on its own without any help. While the wig continues to dry, I'm going to go ahead and just part out a little bit of hair and turn it into a top knot. This was really what I wanted the hair to look like, and this was the end style that I did. But you will see throughout this video, we're going to do twisties, and I'm also going to show you what it looks like just with a straight center part down. Both are very fetch. You can definitely fast forward if you just want to see that. But right now, this is kind of like the rest of the hair. Like what I sectioned off is what's going to be used for the ponytail, and this is what's going to hang. So because the hair is so full and dense, I wanted to make sure that it didn't look too thick and bulky. So I did use my wax stick paired with the electric hot comb and just give that a ton of heat passes and just make it look as flat and smooth as possible. Go figure, as always, I always forget to put heat protectant on until I'm going in with the flat iron. Better late than never, I guess. So I did apply that heat protectant, which is a product that I'm still formulating and trying to get perfect before I add it to the site. I'm going in with the chase method and pretty much just soaking out the hair. Keep in mind how full the hair is now and how flat and soaked it is after you go ahead and straighten it out. This is what it looks like when you straighten it out on this side, and then on the opposite side, this is it in its natural state. Very versatile in that you will be able to wear it silky straight, or you can wear it blown out. Super beautiful. Hashtag Black Girl Magic. Now that the hairline has dried down, I'm going to go ahead and use my edge control and my baby hair or edge brush to go ahead and just make my edges blend with the wig. As I mentioned, I cut off all excess lace around the ear. Not sure why, but I've been kind of preferring to not have the sideburns lately. I think it's because whenever I'm wearing a wig, especially because this one does fit glueless, what makes it not glueless is if those sideburns are hanging on the side, you absolutely have to bond those down or do something with them on a day-to-day basis. When you don't have those, you can just sit the wig on top of your head and go about your business. So here we are perfecting a center part. I've definitely went ahead and pretty much just took that wax stick off camera and worked that in, and now I'm using the hot comb, basically what I did the last time. And this is the look that I got when I wore it straight down, just kind of behind my ears, very simple. Now this would also be beautiful if I wouldn't have press the hair out, how it's like center part behind my ears. It would have been super big. Going back would have been beautiful, but the vibe of it straight is beautiful as well. Now this is going to be style 2. I'm going to do some quick twisties on it so you guys can see how that looks. Twisties, cornrows, all the same, are some of my favorite hairstyles to wear with natural kinky textures. I just think it complements so well, and it definitely looked good with this one, but I kind of just really wanted the top knot. So you'll see after this, we're going to go back to the top knot, but I'll also show you how I perfect that. Now I'm just going in. I did go ahead and just cut down a little bit of like a few strands of hair. I just wanted it to give like natural baby hair vibes in the front. Just a little something, not too much. If it's not your jam, you don't have to do it. Now let's go ahead and perfect that top knot. You guys already know the dynamic duo. Whenever we're trying to get something super flat, melted and thin and glueless and looking like it's coming out of the scalp, we always do our dynamic duo. We do that wax stick paired with the electric hot comb. I went ahead and soaked that baby out, and you guys see how flat this ponytail is. Hashtag goals, my own goals. I love, love, love how it came out. And get a load of how the lace looks. The lace color is on point. Now, I did feel like for the ponytail I made, it was definitely too thin to just wear down. So I'm going to go ahead and twist it back into a bun. But pay attention to how I kind of twist it up kind of in a loose and high way. This is going to give the illusion that the ponytail is a lot thicker than it really is. But it's gorgeous, and we added powder to the parting, of course. Okay, love bugs, we are officially done with this look, and you guys already know the drill. I went ahead and slayed her start to finish. I feel like this was a beginner friendly look, and of course I love the way it came out, but that wasn't the case always. So you guys see I started off with the 2 cornrows in the center. Now part of it was my fault because I did not do them really tight. I kind of made them really loose, so they were kind of like coming apart, so I was like needed to fix them, and I was like I would rather go back to that bun I was doing. I kind of feel like it's been a minute since I've done like a half half down situation. So I kind of get my feels and my vibe. I am a little greasy, I feel like. Not sure if I mentioned already, well, of course I mentioned already, but this one did come from Beeos. I worked with them once before last month, so I believe this is my second time working with this company. Inside the packaging, you do get a dust bag, and it does have their logo embossed on it. And then you also get some really, really pretty mink lashes, or 3D mink lashes. You get a little strip of elastic you can sew in to make the wig more glueless. And then you also have 2 clips, and then you also have your set of wig caps. Now, I will say I absolutely love the fact that this wig is versatile. Versatile. I love the fact that it came very thick and full and just gave very much black girl magic, and I was able to tame it down and kind of press it out and make it a little bit more work safe. Now, I don't believe in the work safe as far as like, oh, your hair is too big, it's distracting. I wish somebody would tell me my hair was too big or distracting. I wish one of my girls would call me and say, oh my God, I got sent home from school, or I got kicked out of work because my hair was too distracting. Like, that is a no-no. But what would be considered that is like big full hair, and I feel like it was very much that. I love that for like shoots, for pictures, but for every day when I'm just literally at home, because let's face it, we've been home literally for 2 years. It's kind of like to have like the big bye boom. I love it for pictures. I love it for video. I love it to switch it up. I love the vibe. I love when I turn the camera to me, like my not Snapchat, but like TikTok or my Insta stories, and I see that hair. It just looks so good on me. But in real life, being home, I would have to like put it in a ponytail or pin it up because it's very full and just not in the way, but you know, when you're being a mom, you gotta just kind of pull it away. So I love the fact that I was able to straighten it out and get more of a tamed look, and this is more my speed for like every day. And then I love the fact that I can wash it and blow it out, and I can get that big look for a vibe, especially for pictures, as well as listing links of everything we used to install and style this beauty here. She is long, she is full, she is a vibe. I love this hairstyle with this style of shirt. Super cute and on trend. So yeah, go ahead and check the description box for a link to this wig. I'm Ashley Bedeck if you're tuning in for the first time. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you're feeling the content on this channel. I'll wait. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.